Hi there, welcome to my classroom. My name is Mr. Harber. I teach Honors Pre-Calculus, Honors Physics, Honors Calculus Online, and this year I'm also teaching a couple Science 8s. So I figured I'd start with kind of a tour of my classroom. So when you walk into my classroom, the first thing that you'll notice is that large black desk. So that's normally where I put things that students are going to need. Maybe stuff for a science lab, something like that. We're going to try not to share too many things, but because of the science classes, we are going to have to share some stuff. We're going to do that safely and wisely with the virus going on. Also, you'll notice I've got a couple storage rooms. I'm not going to lie, I got some cool stuff, but for the most part, stay out of the storage rooms in the back unless I send you someplace back there to get something. My closet, again, kind of off limits unless I specifically tell you to get something out of there. So one of our military jerseys, whiteboard. I don't really use this whiteboard for classwork. I kind of use it to write messages on there. If there's something that you need to be aware of, just kind of, maybe as a junior, all the juniors are, have to be aware of something, or lost and found kind of ends up back here. As you'll notice, I got a lot of posters and stuff. I'm a big Michigan fan. I'm a bigger Montrose fan, but I tried to decorate my room kind of over the years with things that have happened in my career and stuff like that. There is a pencil sharpener and a stapler back here on the wall. So if you need one of those, that's where you can find one. Just an old fume hood that I just kind of put junk in and stuff, my coffee maker. There's our recycling tub and American flag. School song, if you don't know it. Again, just kind of the stuff that I've collected over the years, kind of make me me. I got way too many desks in here right now. I don't need this many desks. We're going to put some in storage. Try to keep it down to the bare minimum, just the desks that I need. Let's take a walk up to the front of the classroom, and you'll notice off to the left there's my sofa. This sofa used to hold 3, 4, 5 students sometimes, before class, after all done with work. It's a big sofa, but with social distancing, that's a one-person couch now. So we can't have a whole bunch of people sitting on top of each other. So if it becomes a problem, I'm going to get rid of it, but hopefully I can let it sit there because I don't want to take up the storage room. Up here I got my textbooks for my classes, my physics class, my calculus class, my pre-calc. There's no book for Science 8. So if you had Mrs. Sanborn for science last year in 7th grade, we're going to continue with the MyStar curriculum. There's no textbook for that. Everything is going to be online this year. So up here on the screen, I've actually got one of my courses pulled up in Canvas. We're going to be using Canvas a lot. All your teachers are going to be using Canvas a lot. It's an online learning system, learning management system actually is what they call it. So this is where we're gonna look to find our resources in a lot of classes. It's going to have the homework on there, and you're going to be submitting work electronically. That's my goal. Is I am not going to pass out a paper to you. I am not going to collect a paper from you, and that's going to be hard sometimes because it's a real big change in the way things are normally done. But you're going to be using Canvas a lot, so we will definitely be spending a lot of our first days just learning how to do that. How do we do work online? How do I be successful? So that kind of brings us over to my desk over here in the corner. For the most part, my desk is kind of off limits. Don't just go grabbing stuff off my desk. If you need a tissue, you can grab a tissue, sure. If there's hand sanitizer on the desk, please feel free to use that. But don't help yourself to my pens and pencils. Don't go pounding on the keyboard and stuff like that. More of my junk here in the corner, my picture of a Rams helmet. These calculators, the big fancy calculators, are for my pre-calculus and my calculus students. We're really not going to be sharing calculators for obvious reasons this year. My pre-calculus and my calculus students are going to get assigned a calculator. They're going to take them home. Everybody else kind of hands off. We don't want to be sharing a whole lot of stuff up along the ledge up here. Lots of knick-knacky stuff. Again, kind of, you know, what makes me me. So that kind of finishes the tour. I mean, yeah, it's a big classroom, but it's only a classroom. There's not a lot of stuff to look at. You know, we were supposed to be starting school this coming Monday, so we got postponed. It is what it is. I mean, we didn't have some things ready. Not really anybody's fault. It's just a lot to get ready. So really looking forward to getting started this year. Looking forward to breaking some new ground with you. We're going to be doing things different, and I like doing that. You know, I've been doing this 22 years, and you know, if you just do the same thing over and over, it gets kind of boring. So I'm really excited about what this year is going to force us to change in school, and hopefully we make some changes that are for the better, to make things easier for me, to make things easier for you, and you know, hopefully going to fit into your digital life better. So really looking forward to getting started, because I'm really getting bored with this whole thing. So I hope to see you in a few days. Welcome to my classroom.